DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. Oh my gosh, look at this Tesla Model S, looking amazing in our XPEL Stealth Matte Paint Protection Film. Check that out, you guys. Is that gorgeous or what? And this is more than a pretty face. It's going to last for 10 full years, protecting this Tesla Model S from everything on the road that will try to damage the paint. The paint protection film is going to absorb all the abuse. And then check out the ceramic heat reduction window tint. Look at that. Gave this Tesla Model S a super cool look, you guys. You won't get this Tesla Model S confused with all the rest of the Teslas on the road. Check this out. And then let's check out our installation. Look at that. Look how clean that is, you guys. If we did not tell you that we had installed a paint protection film, you wouldn't know it. And this is why when Tesla Motors was looking for a company to get a Tesla Model S Plaid together to present to Elon Musk and his executive team, they selected us due to our amazing quality and results. And you should too. DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont, 510-472-4181. Thanks for watching, you guys, and have a great day.